Is this an unreleased The Weeknd style track? Nope. I actually made this with HitPaw Edimakor, and it only took me a few minutes. Today we're doing something really fun. Creating an original AI song inspired by the emotional pop style and dreamy vocals you'd hear in The Weeknd style music. Let me show you how easy it is to create your own AI song. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Once you open the software, click New Project to begin. Step 2. Generate the melody. Go to the AI music section. You'll find the instrumental feature. This is where the magic happens. Here, I'm choosing Minimax Music 2.5 Plus, which provides studio-grade, high-fidelity music generation with elite vocal textures and rich instrumentals that rival professionally produced tracks. I entered a prompt describing the vibe I wanted. Emotional pop, cinematic, soft piano, The Weeknd-style energy. You can also try a prompt sample. Freely choose different styles, scenes, instruments, and moods here based on your preferences. Once you've finished customizing everything, click Generate. And within seconds, Edimakor creates a completely original melody. Super clean sound. Step 3. Make the song. Next, go to the Song section. Click Reference Music, import the reference music. You can even upload your own voice in the Vocals section. Then paste in your lyrics. You can use GPT to help generate lyrics, or simply click Try a Sample directly inside Edimakor, whichever method works best for you. Once everything is ready, just click Generate. And now, we've reached the most exciting part. Are you ready to hear an AI song created entirely by yourself?
Every little song turns back to you.
Honestly, this already sounds like something straight out of Spotify. This is one of the fastest ways I've found to create AI remixes or viral-style music content without needing any professional music production skills. You can even create your own music video for the song. Edimakor Web now supports AI MV. Just click AI MV, choose a style, upload your audio and images, enter a prompt, and create an MV instantly. If you're interested, please subscribe to our channel to see more content. So yeah, if you want to make AI songs, remix trending tracks, or create your own original versions of popular music, HitPaw Edimakor is definitely worth trying. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which song I should recreate next with AI. See you soon.